Hey everyone, welcome to Wild Woodland Lavender Farm. I'm out here in my main vegetable garden. I've been doing some work getting things cleared up. There are an incredible amount of weeds out here. I just have to say I'm so glad we have a rototiller. I can actually feel like I'm not going to be spending the next 3 years cleaning the weeds out of this garden before I can plant it. But we haven't rototilled the whole area yet, and I'm kind of glad because I found a treasure. Let me show you. So right here, you can see there are some tomato cages, some dead tomato plants, some more there, and then with this pole here, there's some more, and I've been cleaning those up. This is where my husband's favorite tomato was planted, the Black Vernissage cherry tomato, and I didn't plant any this year, and I was hoping for what I just found. Let me get some better lighting for you. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's not all. 9, 10. Is that all? Oh, no, that's not one there. That's a different weed. I think that's about all. So I'm so excited. We have at least 10 seedlings of my husband's favorite tomato. Now I said I didn't plant any this year from seed, and that was mainly because I'm trying to focus only on just a few varieties and planting a lot of that one variety rather than a few of a lot of varieties. This year I just want to be certain that I have tomatoes I know I can use. You never know where these shortages or the high prices might lead us. So I just wanted to be certain that I had tomatoes I knew I could use, rather than a lot of different varieties that you just don't know if they're gonna be good canning tomatoes or whatnot. But having these come up from volunteer is just incredible. It's like a gift from God saying, here you go. I know you didn't want to take the time to plant these. Let's let God do it instead. So at least 10 just from here. That other cage over here was also Black Vernissage, I do believe. So who knows, there might be even more tomato seedlings under there. And then over here, where I think this bunch over here that I showed you, that was, oh, and I had trouble with the name of them last year. Oh, anyway, they're a pretty colorful tomato, snacking size. I can never remember the name of it. Anyway, we'll see if there's any seedlings there too. But all along the path over here, or the garden on this side, were a bunch of the paste tomatoes. And I'm wondering if I might have some volunteers coming in there as well. So I know I have these right now. I don't want to leave them here for the moment because we're trying to get all this cleaned out. So I'm just gonna dig them up and put them in little pots, and we'll save them for when we can get them planted. So let's get to work doing that. So all I'm doing to transplant these out of here is I'm putting some dirt in the bottom, since these are rather deep. And then I'm just going to dig out away from the seedling. And then the roots aren't going to be too terribly deep, so you can just dig up a big dirt clod with the tomato intact and put it in there. And if you grab a couple for each container, that works too. And there's a couple more right here. I'm just going to press down the soil around them so that it's nice and firm. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do see a few more out here too. I think that's most of them in this area, but I did find some right here as well. So I'll get those in this one. So I have a couple right there. Hello, Binky. How are you? And then about 3 right here. I could go get some more containers because I might find more, but I think I'll just try to stick these in this one container here. See if I can get all these 3 in one clump. Oh, 2 of them anyway. Get that 3rd one. Just stuff it in there as well. Pull these weeds out. I'm wondering if these might be basil. I did have some basil planted right here. And I just pulled my 1 tomato out. Oops. Well, we'll get that in dirt and see if it'll live. Poor thing. Alright, so I'm very excited to have found this treasure in my garden. Looking forward to finding more. And I don't know that I can use all of these. It's an awful lot. One plant grows nice and big and supplies a whole lot of what we need. So I might share these with some of my friends, see if they want to plant them in their gardens. So that's it for now. Just wanted to share this little treasure with you. We'll see you next time here on Wild Woodland Lavender Farm. Bye.